Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Talking eBay. Today we're talking about the post office has changed a little bit on their shipping strategy. It's a UPS Ground Advantage, USPS Ground Advantage, which basically means they use a little bit of ground transportation. They might use air as well. It's not 100% clear what they're doing. So I do ship some packages now. This is what it looks like. It has a G on it. And they still have first class available, but that is going away, just so you know. It's very important to know. And it's going to be like this from now on. So the difference was it's a little bit slower. I think it's 1 day more, basically. So eBay's going to calculate for that. They're going to adjust that as well, so you won't be, dinged as far as shipping at times. So they're going to adjust that on the back end. They have to, just the way it works. And you don't have to worry about that. And you get $100 worth of insurance with it. This is a great deal. So 2 to 5 business days for the packages, all 50 states. Prices start at $4.75. Ship through eBay. They have the best prices on shipping, bar none. No question about it. So definitely ship on eBay. You'll get a much better value. And you won't see the amount that you paid on the package. That's a big deal. Someone had a question the other day. How do I hide that if I go to the post office? You can't. You have to print it online, and it's incognito automatically built into eBay, so you don't see what you're being charged. Your customers won't see that. So that's super important. So if you don't want your customers to see it, ship through eBay. You'll save money if you ship through eBay, and you get the $100 worth of insurance. That's new too, guys. So this is what it looks like here. So the USPS Ground Advantage is $525, and the USPS First Class is the same price. And look at the price of priority in the bottom here, $12.55 for the same package size and everything. Look at the difference. Huge savings. So it gets there a day or two later, but you know what? It's fine. And once you get over the pound, of course it does change, but anything under that pound, you get the insurance now up to $100. That's a big deal. That's big news, guys. So share that with everybody in the community. And that's what we do here at Talking eBay. We try to help you with the new things. Things are changing, and don't be afraid to ship online. It's super easy. Use the eBay shipping calculator. I teach you that on my channel. Use it. You'll save time. You'll save money. It'll be exact. Don't be afraid to overcharge a little bit. Something costs you $6 to ship it and you want to charge $8. It's okay. If the customer doesn't see that, it's okay, because if they do see it, that could be an issue, because they can say, oh, they're overcharging me, and it could be a feedback issue. You don't want that. So definitely use that eBay shipping calculator. Use eBay to ship your products. It is incognito, and when you do ship it, print it out. It looks like this here, exactly like this. This is what I printed out today and shipped to the post office. Had a couple going out. So really easy, and they scan it, no problem. The guy was telling me, a friend of mine at the post office said, oh, do you know this comes with $100 worth of insurance now? I said, I didn't know that. That's fantastic news. I have to tell everybody. So you don't have to insure it. That saves you on the other end too. You don't have to pay for insurance, and insurance is not cheap, as you know. So I hope I brought you some value today. If I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot. That's all I ask you to do for payment for me, is just subscribe to the channel. It means so much. And also check out that contest I have on the video about the eBay tumbler I'm giving away. So when I get to 500 subscribers, new and existing subscribers can enter into this contest and win this item. So definitely check out the video. It gives you all the rules and regulations, what to do and how to enter. So definitely hit that button. But for this video, UPS Ground Advantage, it's going ground, it's going air. I think it's a combination of both, probably mostly ground. And you get you have some more flexibility, and you have some freedom with that. I think it's going to be an awesome thing. I think the price is a little bit more stable, and I think the future, this is the way of the future. So I appreciate your time as always. Thanks for tuning in to Talking eBay, and I'll see you at the next one. Don't forget to check out my podcast as well. I appreciate it.